IKO has always been a family whose business started in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, making paper roofing products. 70 plus years and 4 generations later, the company has grown, but IKO remains family first. So if you're looking to grow your career at a values-based, family-oriented company that's experiencing rapid growth, your opportunity has arrived. Here's what you can expect working at IKO.
I like new challenges, and IKO provides the opportunity to work in various departments and learn different aspects of the business. There's never a dull moment.
When I first started at IKO, I came in pretty green for the manufacturing part of it. Management took me under their wing right away and taught me all the processes involved. They gave us a lot of support along the way and a lot of tools to help us succeed.
This isn't just about a job, this is a career opportunity. A number of people have come in at different phases of their career and have ended up in totally different functions within the organization.
We have competitive compensation rates, health and dental, 401k or RSP that are employer matched, vacation, and we have numerous programs for internal development of skills. We do also offer relocation bonuses for eligible positions. We have numerous plant-based positions. We have corporate offices both in the US and Canada. So whatever you're into, we can get you set up for success.
IKO always invest in people when they see potential, so IKO support me to go to Sheridan College and graduate. I just work with them until now. So
I feel valued every day, and I know that my employees feel valued every day. That's why employees tend to stay, not for years, but for decades, myself included.